Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to view object from the top. So let's jump right into the video. One way is simply press 7 on your numpad, and another way is this is just without the shortcut. Go to view, go to viewpoint, and here select top. Like if you're like in this, and if you go viewpoint top, you'll change the top. Now let's say maybe you want from top to go to the bottom. You can click on control numpad 7, control numpad 7. Okay, and if you want to go to the front, numpad 1. Okay, that's another way. But simply from here, if you don't want to use the numpad, from here you can do it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this short tutorial saved you time and helped you. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. And yeah, I'll create a tutorial for you if you have any suggestions. There's things that you don't know how to do in Blender, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you.